So I successfully got through spraying and airbrushing naked cookies as well as sponging them, which is a technique you do not see listed. I'm gonna move on now to stenciling with frosting sheets. Frosting sheets, because I could cut them out, make decorative patterns with them, and as you can see, they're floppy and they conform nicely to the cookie shape. Okay, so painting, as I said, is a great way to add quick coverage to cookies, even dark cookies. Let's talk about wrapping. Here's a piece of that sugar veil. This is using the same mat that I used to emboss the cookie that you saw earlier in the demo. So when I wrap it, I'm gonna make sure that one of the seams aligns with this seam. It's obviously bigger than what I need, so I wanna cut it down to size. I'm gonna talk about spackling and stippling first. So these orbs are similar to this one here. They started out like this. Then I spackled them, and I'll explain what I mean by that with royal icing. So by embossing, and again I'm working on half cylinders, I mean imparting texture into the icing. Now I'm going to clean up and we're going to talk about dipping, which is one of my favorite ways to cover spheres and cylinders because it leaves a beautiful, beautiful smooth coat if you do it properly. I'm pushing the icing in towards the center. I also want to talk about a little bit about combining techniques. I've shown you all the techniques in isolation, but we certainly encourage you to combine them in different ways, get creative. Hopefully that gives you some inspiration. I turn it over to Manu now to talk about our challenge.
Thank you, first of all, Julia, for these amazing demos. We have more tools for translating real-life inspiration into 3D cookie design. So.
Excellent. Well, I'm going to close the video now, and we'll see you guys on Cookie Connection.